Hello everyone. Welcome back. Beginner photography class. When a novice photographer buys a camera and finally starts learning photography to go on a trip, he takes a snapshot. Today, how to take a good snapshot? Maybe you want like on Instagram or Facebook photos that we all love. We hope that this lesson will become more familiar with the camera through the beginner's mistakes and useful functions and understandings not described in the user manual. What is a snapshot? The reason why snapshots are loved with the recent development of SNS seems to be that it captures 100% of the situation and atmosphere in which the photo was taken, not a photo of a normal pose, giving it a natural feeling. Also, unlike photos taken at existing photo studios, it is one of the reasons why you can complete your own photos because you have free props, postures, and places. Thanks to these advantages, many people take self-snapped photos. Before we dive into how to take pictures, let's take a quick look at the snapshots. Snapshot: how to take it well? 1. Fill in the background. If you're going to travel or take a snapshot outdoors, it's important to have lots of great backgrounds. This is because the background plays a role in the natural mood of the snapshot. To get the most out of the snapshots that quickly capture the sensibility of your special day, you can take a moment to see them enjoy the stunning scenery. Looking at your photos in a nice background can make a very satisfying snapshot. Here is a night view from my visit to Las Vegas a few years ago. As expected, the landscape and reality in the photo are quite different. Impressive. The great sound source for the water show video exists, but it is unfortunate that it's a copyright issue on YouTube, but it has been silenced. Let's use nearby items. Self-snapshots have the advantage of being free to use small things. To commemorate a special day with your lover, you can take pictures with bouquets, and if you want to spend a vacation on the beach, you can choose items that are only found in the resort. Even if I don't need to show myself, a picture of a seagull, it would be a nice snapshot. A snapshot is literally a snapshot that instantly takes a moving subject. At first, it meant a photo that was captured momentarily and artistically, which meant that it was quickly captured through a camera in various situations. But these days it is known as the meaning of capturing favorite scenes in everyday life. 3. The story behind. Capturing vacation moments is one of the most natural ways, such as taking a hand-to-hand photo or taking a snapshot behind a subject and walking towards a stunning sunset. Daily snapshot. To take great snapshots, even in everyday life, even if you are not going on vacation or going outdoors on a special day, you can take a snapshot of the day with just your smartphone camera. Routine snapshots like school or work have the advantage of being able to express themselves better than snapshots from other trips. You can capture the way you are doing assignments in a cafe, or you can sit on a park bench and think about yourself. You can even keep a photo diary by taking daily snapshots. Snapshot is not difficult. You should challenge yourself. It has confirmed that a snapshot is not unlike a commemorative photo. How was the trip? Do not be attracted by the uniqueness of shooting a moving subject. Try to take a souvenir photo taken outdoors. Not moving freely in the studio, in a natural atmosphere and emotions of the theme. It's easier to learn about photography and cameras if you can attend community college photography group classes or college classes. Today, I did introduce how to take a good snapshot, even if you are a beginner in photography. You should try it. I have explained how to practice as simple and easy as possible. But if you understand this, camera shooting seems not that difficult. In the next video, I will show you some more informative aspects of photography.